This is Cash with Western Material Handling, Commerce City. We've got our Raymond here, reach unit, just kind of going through the functions. Lifts to 204 inches, slightly under 8 foot mast. Does have very nice forks. You can see there's a side shift there. See, he's moving that back and forth. So this is just a preliminary video on it, just straight off the line. Does need to be charged up. There is the tilt feature. And we just need to do some history on this unit. Looks like a very well taken care of battery. And of course you have your joystick operation. And Raymond is a subsidiary of Toyota. I'll put my email below, but this is a unit that we do have in stock, and we can probably get it ready quite quickly.